Welcome to another Thoughts on Tech video. On this one I compare low-light images from the GoPro Hero 7 and GoPro Hero 6 with the firmware 2.01. Why another video comparing these two cameras in low-light video? Well, with the firmware 2.01 on the Hero 6, GoPro tried something interesting, at least on theory. When light is scarce, cameras will decrease the shutter speed to let more light in. As we saw in the last video, electronic stabilization doesn't handle this longer exposure good and generates blur. So GoPro decided that if the shutter speed decreases under a certain value, the electronic stabilization would shut down, although it is activated on the settings. The image has less blur, but unfortunately, because is not stabilized, doesn't look any better and is also not sharp. It is interesting to see that GoPro keeps trying to improve the low-light capacities of its cameras, as with the firmware release 2.01 on the Hero 6. Unfortunately, the results were not amazing, and I think therefore this idea is not present on the new Hero 7. In my opinion, without hardware changes, like a bigger sensor or optical stabilization, the goal of better low-light videos will be very difficult to achieve.